Hi all, good evening. Okay, first of all, thank you Postgres conference to giving me the opportunity to present on a lightning talk. And this is my first time I attended Postgres conference and giving a lightning talk. Okay, so I have taken a topic like Postgres for Oracle DBAs. Yeah, I don't want to go with this. I will skip. So there are some myths and facts, and like in this session or in this room, I believe like um, okay, there is some issue with the speaker. Okay, is it audible there? Is it audible? No? Yeah, is it audible there? Still no? It's audible, okay. Okay, so in my experience, like I found many of the Oracle DBAs misunderstanding the PostgreSQL terminologies, okay, and which I called as a myth because having incomplete knowledge of PostgreSQL, it causes many issues to their PostgreSQL production environment, okay. So but the fact is PostgreSQL is pretty simple and easy to learn for any of Oracle RDBMS DBAs and or other RDBM technology who knows Linux and database terminologies. They can learn Postgres, and for them it's kind of a cup of tea. But again, like as I mentioned, it's cup of tea. But if you give proper dedication and start learning Postgres basics, you can easily come up with this. And like most of my friends who are Oracle DBAs, they reach out to me. They call me like they did execute the vacuum full on their environment. And some of our clients who we support, they also without reviewing or checking what vacuum full does, they simply execute vacuum full and they complaining like their queries were blocked, their application was delayed or running slow like that. Yeah, and some of the misunderstanding from Oracle DBAs like instance name, read log files, shared buffer, which they compare with wall file, but they do not understand properly. Okay, and some concepts like bloating, index bloating, table bloating, they are not aware of it. When we tell them like comparing to fragmentation, they understand. Okay, okay, bloating is similar to fragmentation like that. So basically, I have prepared a lengthier slide, but since it's 5 minutes talk, so I will go a little faster and I will go through one or two slides where I compared Oracle and Postgres terminologies basically and architecture of Oracle and Postgres. And some of the links I have added in my slide, which I will share. And in the slide, I have a mobile number where you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will share the slide. So some of the blogs, some of the books, Postgres books links I have mentioned here. So let's learn Postgres quickly for Oracle DBS. Like I compared like terminology overview, like Oracle, what is what we call in Oracle, what we call in Postgres. Like initial release of Oracle 1979, whereas PostgreSQL it's released in 1996. Current release is V21C, which is released January 2021. And we have Postgres 16 version, which released in February. License, Oracle is licensed and you know Postgres open source. So it's always Postgres welcoming you guys to install and play around with the open source Postgres. And implementation language, Oracle uses C, whereas Postgres uses C. So who knows C, in-depth C, they can even play around with the PostgreSQL code, which is open source. And the operating system both supports Unix and Windows. And both are ACID. And in-memory capabilities, Postgres does not have, whereas Oracle it has. And server-side scripting, yeah, both use PL/SQL, whereas Postgres use PGSQL. An official website, I believe most of you are aware of it. And I go through a little bit faster about architecture, comparing Oracle and Postgres. Okay, this is Oracle architecture where it contains shared pool and all. I will not go through one by one, just I will compare Postgres. So here I have mentioned Postgres architecture, where you can see, I will show you relation, which is called in Postgres, Oracle, and what is similar to in Postgres. Like in Oracle, we have a database writer. In PostgreSQL, we do have similar database writer. And those are background process. And in Oracle, we have log writer. In Postgres, we call wall writer. Next one, checkpoint. Both have checkpoints, similar. And next, archiver. Both is present in Postgres and Oracle. Next is database buffer cache. In Postgres, we have shared buffer. And redo log buffer, which is in Oracle, similar to in Postgres, we have wall buffer. And I have compared some control files, data files between Oracle and Postgres. So in Oracle, we have data file similar to in Postgres, we have data file. And in Oracle, we have control file. In Postgres, we have CLOG file, which we call as pg_control. And next one is redo log file, which is in Oracle, and in Postgres, we have all files. So it's basically this level I'm representing here. So parameter file, here also we have parameter file. And we have archive file. Here also we have archive log file. And some of the PostgreSQL terminologies, like what we call the table, what we call in Postgres and in Oracle. So in Oracle, we call instance, whereas in Postgres, we call as. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you. Just I will show up my mobile number so that you can guys note down my mobile number and ping me for the slide. It has some commands and level for PostgreSQL basic, so please note down my number. Thank you all.
Thank you.